morning. It's the 25th of June, 2021. We're at this house here in Bristol Borough, Pennsylvania. It's actually sold now. It says for sale, but it's already sold. They want new decking put on. That was one of the agreements they made with the purchaser. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is 7 foot by about 12 feet. So it's about 84 square feet. And all of that lumber fits right under here, under all the toolboxes, in this special transport area that I created for drywall and timber. Check that out and how well that worked. Here's some clips of me constructing the platform that makes it possible to transport these full sheet goods so easily. And 2 full toolboxes are mounted above it all. Alright, so the way this works is this usually gets bolted down because you can't do that now, it's too old. So it sits down, this piece sits into it, and this piece goes up into the post. So that just sits like that. This is a little bit thicker. It's the same height as the concrete here, but this is a little bit thicker than what will allow. Now you see how much it has to go down. It has to go down the height of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to router out this board so that this fits down into the routed area. This will drop into it, and then this will fit in perfectly where it needs to go. So we're just going to sit that down like that, and we're going to put a circle around it just so I know where it hits. And now I'll trace this out on it. All right, let's see how that fits in there. It's a good fit. That's what we want. Let's see if that will fit on the porch. Let me hold on a second, Donna. This piece here is going to go into a routed out section. So it fits down in there like that. Put this up in here. You got your end in? Alright. And just like so. That is perfect. That's what we want. Check it with a square. You got that nail in the way. Use this joist over here. You got a nail in the way. Try it over here anyway. Right square. Perfect. Alright. Let's get some screws in it. gotta laugh at this a little bit. I mean, there's a hell of a mess under here. Look at this. Look at all the wood under here. Unbelievable. No, it's not from us, but it's unbelievable. This is rotted out over here, so we're gonna have to fill this in. We're gonna have to sister the board onto there as well. Hopefully there's something to attach it to. None of these are nailed in. Look, they're just all sitting in here. Every one of these. Just, oh, one's nailed in. They nailed one in with finishing nails. 2 little finishing nails. None of these are nailed in. Dangerous situation. Anybody walking on here could have got seriously hurt. There was a patch like that here, and over there was another one, and it had no nails in it as well, no fasteners at all.
As far as that will go.
So she's following the one angle of the wall and tracing it using a block, and then she's going to follow the other angle, and where the 2 lines meet is exactly the corner that I need to cut it on. You see that angle?
Well, if you've made it this far in the video, you obviously are enjoying it, so go ahead and smash the like button, hit subscribe. You'll have a new video in your inbox every single week. Let's continue.